guys, kondahan. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And so ngayon maglalaro tayo ng ML. At maglalaro tayo ng class. Nakakuha ko tong hero ni Dairon, skin niya. Free lang yan guys. Hindi muna natin siya. Ang dami natin siya. Uy! Ryan! Okay. Okay, open natin. Ano to? Octopus. Ryan. Kay Harley. Wala pa naman akong Harley guys, so. Ang tama. So, rank pilot. Hindi natin to si dahil ka niya. Pisa ka yan guys. Kasama ko sabihin ka na. Ilan. Okay. Malakas na yun guys, pero natatalo ko sa 1v1 kasi mahina. So ngayon guys, kita nga, naglalaro tayo. So ngayon guys, nakagita nyo sa ating hanap live ay 20 plus sa ganun minutes. Nakuha ko na itong hero ng ticket guys. Nakuha ko na hero ng ticket ay siya, sobrang dami pera. Diyan, nakuha ko ito guys. Hanggang naman, mag-50 na guys. Sabi ko magsalita ka naman bilang. Hello guys. Natin ay si Alpha Noki.
Test. Alpha is online.
Ginamit mo siya. Aldo. Ginamit mo. Ang mga build guys, maganda. Ayun lang naman yung mga build ko. Pang 150. Siyempre maganda tayo mag-build. Kung nakainit ka, yung ko. Nakainit ko pa. Wala na. Kalo na. So, physical attack. Attack. Pare, okay. Okay. Okay, mama corn. Mag-e-ML tayo. Hindi tayo papabuhat. Papa. Joke lang. Itiba sagot. Pag ganyan. Hanggang dito, Dylan. Hanggang dito. So ngayon guys, mukhang malalakas tong kalaban natin Siyempre di pwede yan. Kailangan natin din maging malakas.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Nagpa-farm sila, guys.
True. Model one.
Kaya natin go.
I fight where I am told.
So guys, alam ko kung saan magpa-farm. Basta may kalaban. Hindi natin sabi lang at bigyan sa rin.
First blood.
That was amazing! Ay, may kalaban? Ano ba yan? Nakaka-bad trip naman ko. Nakaka-bad trip naman
An enemy has been slain.
ko. Dahil di ako makapag-farm, inaagawin ako lang.
Killing spree. Shut down.
Di na lalakas ang ating gyro. Joke lang. Lumago kasi ng farm eh, guys.
Saber. A clumsy work in progress.
Nagawin ako farm. Oh my God.
Execution at its finest.
Loko na nga, kahit nagawin niya tayo ng farm. Nagpa-farm tayo. Diba? Oh, diba? Wala, may SS na. Ay, hindi, wala pa rin. 70 pa lang.
Recharged. Alpha standing by.
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain.
No other way.
Has been
Than the Alpha way.
Sobrang kapag.
slain.
Nakatikim siya kay Lancelot. Ako, tama ka lang. Aagawan pa ako nun, no? Ayun nga, tamagal.
Target locked. Beta on the way.
Natin mag-full build.
An enemy has been slain.
Single. Lahat nila dito, guys. Kasi na ako wala.
Absolute loyalty to the Creator. By a heart of steel and cold.
Hello din sa inyo. Bumatok man. Hindi ko pa to kaya.
Okay.
But something
Sumuko na. Sobrang yabang mo. Sumugod siya.
Slain.
Kung yabang mo naman. Yan. Patay ka na naman.
Ally has been double kill.
Payabang niya kasi Egal. Mamatay ka. Patay tuloy siya ng dito.
I am true model number one.
Kung natin patay yung turtle. Level 6 na ako guys. So sila
Time
level
to upgrade
Yeah,
the
level 6.
system.
Wag. Huwag ka magtawag.
Pitiful half-mark.
Boom, may mata sila guys.
Make the most big. By a heart of steel and cold.
An enemy has been slain.
Papatayin ko na ito.
Saber.
Turtle.
A clumsy work. Make the most big. What are you?
Enemy has been slain.
Trapped.
Ally has slain the turtle. Ally has been slain. Your team destroyed the turret.
Ha? Ito ka. Pero, Level 7 na ako, guys. Si Mia level 8 na. Patay tayo dyan.
Killing spree!
Hindi natin
Our turret has been destroyed.
lang.
Beta. Initiate
Dalawang buwan na
tracking
tayo.
sequence.
Si Mia kaya. Kaya natin sila niya pagka... Boom, sila ng silot. Kaya natin yan. Isa pa lang Alda.
An enemy has
Puro
been
isa
slain.
pa lang build nila, guys.
Our turret has been
Natay, pati
destroyed.
Mia dalawa na. Malakas pa.
I fight where I am told.
Mia mo. Tambak
Saber. A clumsy work in progress.
Ally has request backup.
Pitiful.
Have been slain.
ang no, saban sa
Request backup. Okay. Our turret is under attack.
Dapat tayong kulo. Natay na ako tayo. Mia.
Our turret is under attack.
Kaya wala
The enemy has slain the turret. Our turret has been destroyed.
kaya ko sinabigay.
Our turret is under attack. Request backup. Your team destroyed Our turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain. Enemy double kill. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. We can still win.
Trapped by no flesh or blood.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Hanggang. Ako din meron.
Execution at its finest.
An enemy has been slain. Enemy rampage. Enemy rampage. Shut down. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Target locked. Beta on the way. Trapped
Request backup.
by no
Our
flesh
turret
or
is
blood.
under attack. Request backup. Request
Target locked.
backup.
Beta on the way.
An enemy has been slain.
Motion synchronization complete.
Okay. Our turret is under attack. Praise the Lord. Okay. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Destroyed a turret. Our turret has been destroyed. Team destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy.
Takbo na lang ako sa
An
Mia.
enemy has been slain.
Namayan nila, guys. Kaya lang
Biohazard
pag Mia nilabas
of steel and code.
try pa rin natin sila labanan, guys. Bandit kami dito, guys.
What are you to me?
Sobrang tulog.
Beta.
na lang guys. Hindi ko na bigla.
Execution at its finest.